Oh boy, taking a look at the markets today, everything's red. It does appear now that some of that inflationary data is starting to impact the market a little bit. That, and of course, the Fed is supposed to meet tomorrow. So assets are deciding this morning to kind of duck and cover. And let's see where it all ends up at the end of the day. It is December 14th, 2021. Guys, here are today's Metal Minutes starting right now.
I just take the money and go stack up. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso.
All right, welcome back, everybody. I am the Florida Stacker, and I'm here today with today's financial market update. And let me tell you, it's been blood red out there. First, you've got the Fed that is set to meet tomorrow, where rate hikes in 2022 are the talk of the town. When you look at the analysis out there on the street, there is talks of up to 3 rate hikes during 2022. Second, kind of at the beginning of the video, I mentioned the inflationary data. You have wholesale data that came in today, more economic data, however you want to say it. So this morning, wholesale prices were reported to have risen 9.6% year over year, which is the fastest rise on record according to the Labor Department. And third, you do have the Senate that is expected to vote today on raising the debt ceiling, which is the specific dollar amount that we're allowed to go in debt as a country. In case you guys didn't know that, the current federal debt ceiling is $28.9 trillion. Or if we were to break that down into, say, gold buffaloes here, that would be 16,727,946,335 gold buffaloes. That would be the same equivalent in today's gold spot price as our current debt ceiling of $28.9 trillion. So clearly the U.S. government has a few outstanding IOUs out there. Now onto the crypto market, and things are not real spectacular in internet coin land today, as several prominent crypto YouTubers that I do watch from time to time, they're all talking about caution in the market today, and we are seeing those prices come back. Namely watching Bitcoin, as all the top 10 coins are pretty much down, with one exception being that little pesky dog Dogecoin, that meme coin Dogecoin, which is seeing a little 10% rally on the day. But overall, most of the cryptocurrency coins are down. Now let's get to our favorite gold metal. And what did I tell you about 8 a.m. and how the charts always make a move right at 8? Well, there's no exception today, because looking at the chart, you can now see that gold is feeling awfully patriotic this morning, hanging out at a spot price of $1,776. That is on a 1% price decline overnight. And overall, a little movement in gold price now. We haven't really seen much movement at all in the yellow metal. And so we are seeing that movement now, but it is to the downside, a 1% discount from yesterday's price. Obviously, we know that silver is more volatile, so let's go ahead and get to silver now. And as expected, when assets begin to turn backward, it is common to see silver down further than gold. That is the case this morning. And that also applies, of course, when economic data is more favorable. Silver tends to outperform gold in that particular situation, but that's not the case today. Alas, silver is down back under $22 per ounce, currently trading at $21.82 as of the time of this video. And that's right down around 2.78% from yesterday's, from the market open. So almost a 3% loss on silver for the day, and you can see that craziness that happened at 8 a.m. Okay, let's talk about platinum. In my next unboxing video will be my Platinum American Eagle. I'll be filming that video this morning. Platinum, oh platinum, well, it's not gold and it's not silver, but it's still very precious, and yet a lot more rare than gold and much more rare than silver. However, it's currently trading at $930, so it's heading in the opposite direction of what many people thought platinum would begin to do. We are seeing that price come down. It is more affordable, and so, maybe consider picking up some platinum this year. Let's move on to the dollar and see how things are going with the dollar. And as practically everything else in the market today, the dollar is also down slightly on the index. And nothing really notable to report, however. Very marginal decline in terms of movement. A lot of buildup, I expect. We'll see some more movement as we get into the Fed talks tomorrow. As soon as Jerome Powell starts talking, the market tends to move, usually towards the negative. All right, let's close out by looking at the treasuries. All right. And speaking of Fed, let's turn our attention specifically to the 10-year Treasury yield. And not surprisingly, it is up today, of course, when there's a lot of doom and gloom in equities and the precious metals. you tend to see a little bit of an increase in the bond yields or bond prices. All right. So currently yielding 1.46% on a 10-year Treasury bond. That gives you a real interest rate of negative 5.34% when factoring in today's inflation. So things are on sale today, folks, whether it be stocks, cryptocurrency, or our favorites, gold, silver, and platinum. Today might be the day to make a purchase. Then again, I would wait if I were going to make a larger purchase because we do have the Fed talks tomorrow and the market does tend to drop on news of rate hikes. So if they definitely write that into the script, I'd be prepared to see some further declines in equities, gold, silver, and even the cryptocurrencies as we move into tomorrow when the Fed meets. So that is going to be the Metal Minutes for today. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you found it informative. As always, if you could like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'd definitely like to see you back soon on our next precious metals unboxing and review of our Platinum American Eagle, and again tomorrow on our Metal Minutes. Thanks again, everybody. Keep stacking, and we'll see you soon.